Drinking celery juice can give you glowing skin. Do you want your skin to glow and look radiant? Include celery juice in your diet. Check out the benefits of celery juice for skin. When it gets extremely cold out there, your skin can become dry and dull. That's exactly what was happening to my skin. Even though I was armed with moisturizing creams and warm clothes, my face had started to lose its glow. I did change my skincare to make it more winter-friendly. In addition to that, I started drinking a glass of celery juice every morning. This green vegetable is not just another tasty addition to your dishes. It is good for your skin as well. Celery juice is rich in water, so it promotes skin hydration, which is crucial for healthy skin. Let's find out what an expert has to say about drinking celery juice for skin. What are the benefits of drinking celery juice for the skin? 1 glass of celery juice typically contains vitamins such as A, K, and C. Juice has fiber, protein, and magnesium, but these vitamins are particularly great for skin health. Here are some benefits of celery juice for skin health. Some benefits of celery juice for skin hydrates. Your skin celery juice is high in water content, so it supports skin hydration. 1 cup of celery juice has 95.43 grams of water. It helps to prevent skin dryness and promotes glowing skin. Fight signs of aging. Vitamin C in celery juice can help to neutralize free radicals, protecting skin cells from damage and reducing signs of aging. It can help to combat oxidative stress. This helps in maintaining skin health and minimizing the impact of environmental factors. Reduces dark circles. Vitamin K found in celery juice can promote proper blood clotting. It can potentially reduce the appearance of dark circles. Celery juice has vitamin A, which supports skin cell turnover. It contributes to a more radiant and even skin tone. Collagen synthesis. Vitamin C aids in collagen production, which enhances skin elasticity. This helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines on your face. Soothe Skin celery has anti-inflammatory properties, so drinking its juice may help to do away with redness and skin irritation. Good source of antioxidants, which support the skin's natural repair processes. Aid in the recovery from damage caused by UV rays, pollution, other stressors. Regular intake of antioxidants can also contribute to smoother skin texture by preventing the breakdown of collagen and elastin. The protective role of antioxidants helps in achieving a brighter complexion by preventing dullness and uneven skin tone. A general recommendation is to start with about 16 ounces of celery juice daily and adjust based on individual preferences and reactions. How to make celery juice? To make this vegetable juice, wash and chop celery stalks, then blend and strain the mixture. It's best consumed fresh on an empty stomach. You can also incorporate celery into a skincare routine by using it as a toner. Mix celery juice with water and apply using a cotton pad to soothe and refresh the skin. Also, include celery in a balanced diet for overall skin health. Who should avoid celery juice? But people with kidney issues or those sensitive to oxalates should consult a healthcare professional before consuming celery juice. It contains oxalates that may contribute to kidney stones. Also, remember that just by drinking celery juice, you won't get great skin. Team it up with a healthy diet and proper skincare routine.
Ayurveda have various natural remedies to treat the skin. Here are a few.
Sandalwood powders, best for glowing skin. Sandalwood powder helps you get clear skin and get rid of persistent skin-related issues. Sandalwood, often referred, has numerous soothing, nurturing, and therapeutic qualities that have made it incredibly important. Its earthy, woodsy scent eases tension in the body and muscles. Its astringent, disinfecting qualities help to brighten the skin, repair scars, prevent breakouts, eliminate spots, and leave your skin flawless. Sandalwood or Chandan is a sacred Ayurvedic element that offers many benefits for the skin. Sandalwood powders for natural and rejuvenated skin. What are the benefits of sandalwood powder? Repairs skin tissue. Sandalwood can repair skin tissue. This healing quality aids in the removal of eczema, dark spots, blemishes, and scars from wounds. Sandalwood powder can also be used to brighten skin because it purges the skin and leaves your complexion with a uniform tone. Sandalwood and honey can help prevent or reduce hypertrophic or thick elevated scarring. Reduces acne. You can also apply sandalwood to keep those dreadful pimples at bay. Sandalwood's antiseptic qualities inhibit bacterial growth on the skin, making it a highly efficient acne treatment for boils and ulcers that also helps keep them from getting worse. Soothes the skin. Thus, sandalwood helps in skin lightening and whitening. Sandalwood can be beneficial to the pitta fire dosha because it seems to have a cooling and soothing effect on the skin. Thus, sandalwood helps in skin lightening and whitening.
The information provided here is for general informational purposes only and should not be considered as professional medical advice. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Ayurvedic practices and remedies may not be suitable for everyone, and individual results may vary. If you have a medical condition or are pregnant or nursing, please consult a qualified healthcare practitioner before using any Ayurvedic products or treatments.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.